Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So today we will learn a new topic, shape modifications. Hope you have enjoyed my last class about the basics things, basics tools, some tools, and today we will learn how to modify, how to recreate the shapes, edit the shapes, how to make some basic logos, right? So let's start. As you know all that this is a pick tool. You can choose anything with this pick tool and just click on any shape like rectangular shape, elliptical shape. We have the ellipse tool, right? So how to draw it? Just press Ctrl and Shift, then drag with the mouse. By pressing Ctrl and Shift and drag, not only drag, by clicking left click and drag with the mouse, right? After that you will find the perfect circle. If you are not using the shift and control here, so you will find that you can be find an oval shape or not perfectly circle, right? So just go to circle, select it. Now I will tell you how to repeat the shapes, how to repeat and how to copy. So write it down that how to copy any shape or any lines, anything in this. See, if you're selecting anything and move and press right click before lefting the left click. Don't left the left click, just press right click then left your another click, right? You will find that it will be copy. Again I'm telling you, select, drag and press right click and don't leave the left click. Okay, now the same thing we can do with the scaling option. This is the move option. You can duplicate the things, you can copy the things with the move option to moving your object. Okay, and if you're scaling something, right, I'm scaling this from the one side only. I'm scaling this by clicking my mouse, by left click with the mouse and drag. Obviously we will do anything with the drag only. If you're dragging your mouse as with the basics softwares, you know this thing. So drag and right click on it, right? So it will be copy, it will be, you will find the duplicate thing. Fine. If you want to repeat this thing in the same portion, in the same size, so you have to click Ctrl D. You have to click Ctrl D. You will see that the thing is repeating again and again. See, look at this. Okay, press Ctrl A to select all and delete. Again I am telling you one more thing. Again I am making a circle. Okay, then how to duplicate it? See, if I'm using this scaling option now, so we can scale only from one side. Now I am scaling it with the two sides. I want to scale it from the two sides. So how will scale? With the shift. Press shift, then click and drag your mouse. Okay, and how to repeat it? Press Ctrl D, D, D again and again. So you will find more duplicate circles. Fine. Again I am telling you that select this one. I am selecting the outer one, the first one circle, and press shift and select and drag the horizontal things, horizontal lines. Okay, and press Ctrl D. Fine. So how to make this kind of circle? Hope you got it. Again I'm telling you one more time. Press Ctrl and Shift. Okay, drag from here. If you want to drag from the both sides, you have to press shift like this. If you don't want from the both sides, just click and drag and press right click before leaving the left click, right? And now duplicate it, control D, control D. Okay, with the more shapes I'm telling you, I'm showing you some things. Like I'm having this elliptical area, and what I want that this one thing now I'm making this, and what we should press control D, we will press control D. So look at this shape. Press H to move your window. I have told you in the last class why we use press H for hand tool to move this window, and scroll to zoom out and for zoom in, and put your this hand on the object which you want to see. Okay, and scroll your mouse. Okay friends, fine. So this was about the scale with the moving, scale with the duplicate with the moving, and duplicate with the scaling, right? Now I will tell you a very small thing. I am taking this rectangle. Actually I will make a square, kind of square, and we will select shape tool. I don't want to curve all four sides, right? I don't want this, so I only curve only two parts. So how to select two parts only? Just click, and if I have to click another one also, so to click multiple things now, we have to press shift first, then click on it, right? And curve it. I have curved it. We will find a leaf kind of shape. See, if you click again on it, you will see a center part over here. Drag it on the any other point. Okay, if I'm dragging, putting it here, you will find this leaf. You can rotate it anywhere from that point. Now this is the center. This is the, we have make a center, a different center. Fine. So again click on it, move this, press Ctrl D to duplicate. Okay, and press Ctrl D. So you will find all these shapes with the scaling, with the duplicate, scale with the duplicate, move with the duplicate, and rotate with the duplicate. This is the rotating with to duplicate by duplicating the objects. Fine. See, I'm showing you one thing. I have a circle. I am repeating this last one. Control D. Okay, again I'm using this with from the horizontal side. Control D. Okay, and fill it with any color. Okay, listen this thing I'm showing you. Just right click on the object, right click on the object, and choose the option combine. So combine will intersect your two overlapping objects. Okay, intersect your two overlapping objects like this. Fine. Only with the very basic thing, with the very basic shape. To there is no need to modify anything. Okay, we have made this beautiful shape. The other thing I'm telling you, here we have the shape tool. As we know that we can curve the sides. Okay, if we press Ctrl Q, now this shape is for editable, for editing. How? You can move your particular vertices like this, particular points you can move, you can modify. How to modify? Like, I am just clicking on it, you will find you got one more vertex on it. You can move it, you can change your shape, right, like this. So with the same thing I will work on a circle. I am having a perfect circle. I will use this shape tool and I am going to convert it into curve. Fine. So this shape we have, I am just clicking here and here, just moving this one little downside with the down arrow key, right? And again what I will do, click here and here and select the center one and press up key, right? So same thing with the like a combine option, we will use here another option. I am making one more circle to make a bite on this apple. Select both the shapes. Okay, select both the shapes. See, I am making a filling a color. Here you will find, if you are selecting the both shapes, you will find here some intersecting options. Okay, intersecting options. Just click on the trim. Okay, and delete this one shape. You will find that you will got a cutted area with that shape. Okay. Actually we can draw a leaf shape with this pen tool, but in another class I will told you how to use this pen tool. Okay, you can work with this pen tool. See, we will make this leaf with a very simple thing. I am using this square and I am making it as I told you, that click on it and to select the another one, press shift to select this one, make it curve. Okay, make it curve. Stretch it. One more time I will make this. Both sides I curve it from both sides. But it is not actually perfect. But basically you can make this. You can draw like this. Okay friends, if there is any queries from your side, if you want to know more thing, if you want more basic things, you can comment me please and tell me what you want new in my class, and any other corrections you want, please tell me. Thank you so much to learn this. Again I will come with a very short video with a very fantastic things.